Hi, welcome to the math class. Today I am discussing about the topic homomorphism of rings. Homomorphism means already we discussed it in earlier classes, that is the groups. Homomorphism of a groups. In group theory, the very important definition is algebraic structure. Algebraic structure, it is in the form of capital G with only one binary operation G comma plus or G comma star or G comma circle. So this is called an algebraic structure. In rings also, it is called a homomorphism. It is an algebraic structure with two binary operations. That is called a homomorphism of rings. In rings, capital R is a capital R is a ring with the two binary operations. We can write in algebraic structure. Let us see. Let us start the definition. Homomorphism. Let capital R comma plus comma dot. Capital R is a ring with respect to the two binary operations plus and dot. And capital R dash comma plus comma dot be two rings. Be two rings. A mapping F maps R to R dash. This is the domain and this is the codomain. Is said to be a homomorphism. Is a homomorphism if it satisfies two properties with respect to addition and with respect to multiplication. That is, if the homomorphic image f of x plus y, that is equal to f of x plus f of y under addition. And the second property, f of x into y is equal to f of x into f of y. Here we observe that the binary operations in the left hand side LHS part with respect to plus and dot, these two binary operations belongs to domain r comma plus comma dot, these two operations in the left hand side. And also we observe that the right hand side two operations plus and dot, these two operations belongs to r dash images anamata. ఓకే, ఈ టూ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఏమో క్యాపిటల్ రింగ్ క్యాపిటల్ ఆర్ లోవి, ఇక్కడున్న ప్లస్ కామా డాట్ వచ్చి ఈ టూ ఆపరేషన్స్ వచ్చి ఆర్ డాష్ కామా ప్లస్ కామా డాట్ లోవి అనమాట. సో ఫర్ ఆల్ ఎక్స్ కామా వై బిలాంగ్స్ టు రింగ్స్ under multiplication. So under addition, under multiplication, these two are called a homomorphism. R comma plus the algebraic structure R comma plus comma dot and the algebraic structure R dash comma plus comma dot be two rings. A mapping F maps R to R dash is said to be a homomorphism if it satisfies these two conditions. And one more definition, monomorphism. Monomorphism. Let R plus dot and the algebraic structure R dash comma plus comma dot or two rings or two rings. A homomorphism F maps capital R to R dash is called a monomorphism. Monomorphism. Say sorry, it is a one condition. A homomorphism F maps R to R dash is called a monomorphism. If it is one condition. So homomorphism plus one condition, that is called a monomorphism. Homomorphism plus 1 condition is equal to monomorphism. So this is the definition. And one more definition, epimorphism. Let r comma plus comma dot and r dash comma plus comma dash and r dash comma plus comma dot are two rings. A homomorphism F maps R to R dash is called an epimorphism. If it is onto, and that is homomorphism condition, homomorphism plus onto condition, that is equal to epimorphism. Already we know the definition of the definition is one onto. Onto means that is onto condition. F maps capital A to B. We can take one element in codomain. Every element in codomain has at least one pre-image in domain. See, listen carefully. Every element in codomain, in codomain has at least one pre-image in domain. So f of B is equal to A. Okay, f of A is equal to B, and that is f of A is equal to some B, where B belongs to capital B. Pre-image f of A, small a belongs to capital A. So f of A, that is equal to B. So this is called an onto condition. Onto condition is also called as a surjection. Onto condition is also called as a surjection. And one more definition, isomorphism. Isomorphism means let r comma plus comma dot and r dash comma plus comma dot or two rings. A homomorphism F maps R to R dash is called an isomorphism. If F is both 1 and onto. So F is already a homomorphism. That homomorphism satisfying again two conditions, that is 1 and onto. So totally three conditions. So that is F maps capital R to R dash is an isomorphism if it satisfies, if and only if, first condition F is 1 and the second condition F is onto, and the third condition F is a homomorphism. So these three conditions, it is called a isomorphism. If R dash is an, here we observe that R to R dash, here R dash is isomorphic image to capital R. And అంటే చూడండి ఇక్కడ R dash ni here R dash is an isomorphic image of capital R. It is denoted by capital, it is denoted by R is an isomorphic to R dash. Isomorphic symbol ఇలా రాస్తారన్నమాట. Capital R is, it is denoted by capital R is an isomorphic to R dash. Okay. And one more definition, automorphism. Automorphism. Automorphism means an isomorphism. Automorphism అవ్వాలంటే an isomorphism. An isomorphism in which the domain and codomain, the domain and codomain is same, is called an automorphism. An automorphism. This can be denoted, this can be written as, an automorphism can be written as, let R plus dot be a ring. ఒక రింగ్ ఏమో ఇక్కడ, ఒక రింగ్. An isomorphism F maps R2 or capital R2, capital domain and codomain both are same, is called an automorphism. So here we observe that domain and codomain both are same if it is satisfied isomorphism condition. What is an isomorphism? Isomorphism F maps R2 capital R is an isomorphism if and only if F is 1 1 on 2 and homomorphism. దానికి దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటిది అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ డెఫినేషన్ లో, ఐసోమార్ఫిజం డెఫినేషన్ లో 2 rings capital R2 R dash be 2 rings, but here we observe that an automorphism both are same, domain and codomain both are same if it is satisfied an isomorphic condition, then it is called an automorphism. And the next definition, endomorphism. Endomorphism a homomorphism in which the domain and codomain is same, is called an endomorphism. Okay, this can be written as, let R comma plus comma dot be a ring, a homomorphism F maps capital R2 R domain and codomain here also both same, is called an endomorphism. Is all an endomorphism. So here, so homomorphism, a homomorphism F maps capital R2 R same, both domain and codomain both are same, is called an endomorphism. Homomorphism conditions, already we know the 2 conditions of a homomorphism. Homomorphism conditions ఏంటివి? F of x plus y is equal to F of x plus F of y, and F of x into y is equal to F of x into F of y. These 2 conditions are called homomorphism conditions. Okay, and examples of rings. The next topic, examples of homomorphism of rings. Homomorphism of rings. First example. Let capital R comma R dash be two rings. And zero element belongs to capital R, comma, zero dash is also belongs to R dash. Be two zero elements. The mapping F maps R2 R dash be defined by f of x is equal to 0 dash, where 0 dash belongs to R dash, is a homomorphism. It is called zero homomorphism. And also called as trivial homomorphism. Here, let R and R dash be two rings, and 0 belongs to capital R, and 0 dash belongs zero element in capital R, and 0 dash is one of the element is belongs to R dash, be two zero elements. Then the mapping F maps R2 R dash is defined by f of x is equal to 0 for all x belongs to capital R, where 0 dash also belongs to R dash, is a homomorphism. Already we know homomorphism conditions. See, let A comma B belongs to capital R. Suppose two elements మనం తీసుకుంటే, that implies A plus B is also belongs to capital R. అయితే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, therefore f of A అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, f of A is equal to 0 dash, ఈ డెఫినేషన్ ప్రకారం x belongs to capital R కదా, capital R లో ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ తీసుకున్నా f of A is equal to 0 dash and f of B is equal to 0 dash, and therefore f of A plus B is equal to 0 dash plus 0 dash, that is equal to again 0 dash. So this is the first condition. And f of AB is equal to already 0 dash, ఎందుకని A comma B belongs to capital R అయితే, and A into B is also belongs to capital R. So f of AB is equal to 0 dash. These two conditions are satisfied. So that is called a zero elements ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి that is called a zero homomorphism. It is called a zero homomorphism. And second example, let capital R be a ring, and the mapping F maps capital R to capital R be defined by f of x is equal to x. So f of A is equal to A, f of B is equal to B, f of C is equal to C, and so on. This is called an identity mapping. So f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to capital R. Then AB belongs to capital R అయితే, that implies A plus B belongs to capital R, comma, A into B is also belongs to capital R. Now the homomorphism conditions, f of A plus B is equal to f of A plus f of B. f of A అంటే A plus B, and f of A into B is equal to f of A into f of B, and A into B. A into B. Therefore, F is a homomorphism. This is called an identity homomorphism. An identity homomorphism. Identity homomorphism. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, identity mapping is always a bisection mapping. Bisection means 1 1 and an R2. So here, no, identity mapping is always bisection. Is always bisection. Bisection means 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto. Bisection anna 1 1 and onto anna both are equal. So this is the example 2. And example 3. Example 3. So here in third example, F is not a homomorphism. Homomorphism కాదు అన్నదానికి ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుందాం. Let Z comma plus comma dot be a ring. Be a ring of integers. Be a ring of integers. Okay. And ఈవెన్ ఇంటీజర్స్ తీసుకుందామా. 2z కామా ప్లస్ అవుతుందా 2z అంటే ఓకే సార్ ట్రై చేద్దాం. 2z కామా ప్లస్ కామా డాట్ టు బి ద రింగ్ ఆఫ్ బై ద రింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ ఇంటీజర్స్. ఈవెన్ ఇంటీజర్స్. ఓకే. డిఫైన్ ఏ మ్యాపింగ్. Define a mapping F maps Z to even integers to Z by F of X is equal to 2X by, so Z లో ఉండేవన్నీ ఇంటీజర్స్ కాబట్టి F of X is equal to 2 into Z అంటే ఈవెన్ ఇంటీజర్ కాబట్టి 2X for all X belongs to Z. సో ఇప్పుడు కండిషన్ చూద్దాం. Let A, B belongs to Z లో తీసుకుంటే, that implies A plus B is also again a positive integer, is also belongs to Z, and A into B, A 2 comma 1 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, 2 into 1 again integer is also belongs to capital Z. Homomorphism conditions ఏంటివి? F of A plus B is equal to, సో చూడండి డెఫినేషన్ ప్రకారము ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x. మరి ఇదంతా ఎక్స్ అనుకోండి. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అంటే 2 ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బి. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 2 ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బి అంటే 2 ఇంటూ ఏ, 2 ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ బి. అగైన్ దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 ఇంటూ ఏ అంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి. సో ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఈజ్ డన్. ఇది ఓకే. అండ్ సెకండ్ కండిషన్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇంటూ బి. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇంటూ బి అంటే మనం ఏమి రాసుకోవచ్చు? ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇంటూ బి అంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇంటూ బి. ఏ ఇంటూ బిని, ఏబిని ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటే అప్పుడు 2 ఇంటూ ఏబి అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా. మరి ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏబి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇంటూ బి కదా. అలాగే ఇంకొకటి ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ తీసుకుందాం. ఇది లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏబి అంటే ఇది వచ్చింది ఆన్సర్. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి అంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అంటే 2a ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి అంటే 2b. 2 ఇంటూ 2 4ab. 4ab. సో ఇక్కడేమో లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఏమో 2ab వచ్చింది, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ లో 4 ఇంటూ ఏబి. కాబట్టి దేర్ ఫోర్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏబి ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి. కండిషన్, సెకండ్ కండిషన్ ఈజ్ ఫెయిల్డ్. Therefore F is not a homomorphism. Okay. So this is the procedure and this is the definitions of a homomorphism of rings and with the examples. So please learn carefully. If you have any doubts, please WhatsApp me. I will respond immediately. Thank you. Have a nice day.